Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a engaging Instagram story on your Instagram account. So first thing we have to do is just go up in the Instagram application, and after that we need to go into the story section. You can just slide your screen into the left side, or you can also click the plus button and go click a story. And after that you just need to create or choose the picture that you want to add into your story. You can like capturing directly the moment by clicking this button, or you can just go on uploading the photos that you already have on your device, for example this. Okay, so this story quite boring since there is no other information over this story. You can add a stickers or gif on this story to make it more engaging. You just need to go click this button, and after that you can just go click the gif, and now you can type what gif that you want to add into your story by type in a search button. For example, I would like to type a fashion, and there will be appear all of the fashion gif that provided by the Instagram, and you just need to choose what gif that you want to add into your story. And you can also adjusting the size of this gif by pinch with both of your hand or both of your fingers. Okay, and you can also adjusting the positions of the stickers or the gif right there. And after that you can also do a filters by just clicking this button and choose what filters that you want to apply into the photos. Okay, I think this one is quite good right there. And after you're done, you just need to click done. You can also add like several informations. You can just type what you want to type on this button. Okay, you can just click a outfit. Right there, and after you're done, you just need to click done. You can like also adjusting the color to make it more yeah, right there. You can also adjusting the size by pinch with your two of your fingers and adjusting the positions. Okay, and after you're done with everything, after you're satisfied with everything, you just need to click add to your stories. And that's all the way how to make your Instagram stories more engaging. If you found that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.